I think it's gone. The shoe of the batsman. I think it did before it was taken by Silva. I got him by decision pending. Yunus Khan, I think, will be on his way out.
Is that a great catch? Is it a great catch?
The replay shows us. I think he's well in there. Oh, he's done well. He has done well. Can't get closer than that. That's a good catch.
But after that, he started to panic a little bit. There's one. This one, okay, I've got it. Oh, no, I haven't. Now he starts to panic a little bit, and then she goes again, and now he cocks it up again, and then he's got it. Well.
On the turf, the first thing is that it is a legitimate delivery. Hitting straight down there. We've seen a couple of fumbles. And you've got to get a better view from a different angle.
Well, now you know why it's taken. Now this is something which is not very clear because Shahid Afiri comes in the way there. Now he's taken it. Where does it hit him? It hits him on the chest.
Carbon catch. Have a look at this. Ensured that he got the ball back into play. Came back into play and then takes it with one hand. Absolutely brilliant. Could be the catch of the tournament. Might be 1 for 20, or will it be none for 26? What a catch! That's unbelievable! That is sensational!
This is brilliant.
Look at her! Look at the awareness!
Look at the awareness.
Brilliant piece of fielding I've ever seen, mate. Because he's had to throw that whilst he's in the air, not taking the catch and then realising he's running out and then...
He's done himself and... Oh! How good is that? Elastic.
Quick delivery, big swing of the bat. Oh, look at that. That is, well, all he's missing is a cape. Superman. He can't believe it that he's actually pulled. I mean, it's gone past him. I mean, that is a sensational catch. Look at him. He's a bit stunned at first. He hasn't caught that.
You can add this to the list. That's a stunner. Again, smack from the middle of the bat. There's been a fraction of a second for him to see the ball.
James. There he goes. And it's a brilliant. That is a brilliant catch. Well, I was saying a moment ago, he's not had his best day in the field, Kieran Pollard, but that's superb.
Although Glenn Maxwell now has paused, but watch this. This is flat and hard.
6 all day long. Up goes one hand.
And that water, but here we go. Magnificent catch. The padding's all we care about. Well, that is sensational.
And a nick behind, he's out! What a catch from Tim Ludeman! Diving forward, big wicket, Pollard knows it. It's almost as good as the catch, but not as good. Look at him make the ground, look at the angle, and then the hang time. Oh, that is brilliant from Ludeman.
Maybe that much. Well,
possession. Has he caught it? Somebody has. Somebody has. Mohammed Cape has caught as good a catch as you will see in the outfield for as long as you ever watch cricket.
Palmer's back goes. Bravo's going to have to go, and he does! What a sensational catch from Dwayne Bravo. Injured himself and all. Looks like he's hurt his groin, but a sensational diving catch.
And Thomas back, who sent the ball a few times.
It's cut away. What a catch that is! Trent Bond, can you believe it? That is an absolute ripper.
New Zealand has blocked the bowl because have we seen a better catch this season? I don't think so. That is an absolute specky, and Dennis Ramden will have to walk back.
Just gone, and oh, well done, Smith. That's a brilliant catch. Sangakkara has done that a few times, but Smith ran all the way across the cliff.
The right hand. Here, you don't get quite an appreciation of the fact that, oh, I'm stopping. No, I'm going to keep going, and now I'll chuck it out. And look at that. We said about Ben Lachlan and his ability and athleticism, but Richardson matching, if not surpassing. But look at the state of that catch.
That is incredible performance.
Well, it went in and then went out of his hand, I think. Yep, I thought it did. Oh, oh, an acrobat. Well done, lad. Terrific. Yes. Well done.